A surge in consumer spending is fueling strong growth, and many households have been pulling money from a shrinking pool of savings, according to Federal Reserves. Our economy is facing a dire situation, and people are searching for ways to escape this financial crisis. Fear not, dear Stealthies, we got you. We actually have a free personal finance ebook that can help you with this just by clicking the link in the description. Welcome to another exciting video where we unravel the 12 Warren Buffett saving tips that will work in your entire life. 12. Avoid blind brand loyalty. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom extends to a multitude of valuable savings tips, one of which is the advice to not be blindly loyal to brands. He emphasizes the importance of being discerning consumers, encouraging people to prioritize value and quality over brand names. Buffett suggests that by avoiding unnecessary brand loyalty, individuals can make informed and cost-effective choices, leading to significant savings over time. This approach allows consumers to explore various options, compare prices, and select products or services that genuinely meet their needs, rather than succumbing to the allure of popular brands. Buffett's insight encourages financial mindfulness, enabling individuals to make prudent decisions, save money, and invest wisely for a secure future. 11. Make a grocery shopping list. By meticulously planning your purchases, you avoid impulsive buys and unnecessary expenses, ensuring that every dollar is spent wisely. Creating a detailed list enables you to focus on essentials, preventing wasteful spending on items you don't need. This simple practice instills mindful spending habits, contributing to significant long-term savings. Moreover, it cultivates a sense of awareness, encouraging you to differentiate between wants and needs. With a well-thought-out grocery list, you prioritize necessities, reduce frivolous expenditures, and embrace a frugal lifestyle, a fundamental step toward financial stability and wealth accumulation, following Buffett's sagacious counsel. 10. Maintaining a budget planner. This fundamental principle emphasizes the significance of tracking income and expenses meticulously. By creating a detailed budget, individuals gain a clear understanding of their financial inflows and outflows, allowing them to make informed decisions and prioritize savings. A budget planner serves as a roadmap, guiding people towards financial stability and prosperity. It fosters discipline, curbing unnecessary spending and encouraging prudent investments. Buffett's wisdom underscores the importance of living within one's means and saving diligently, reinforcing the foundation for wealth accumulation. With a budget planner in place, individuals can identify areas to cut costs, redirecting those funds into savings or investments, thereby ensuring a secure financial future. 9. Minimize utilities. Warren Buffett's sage advice on minimizing utilities can revolutionize your financial health. By carefully managing your utility expenses, you can redirect significant sums of money toward investments or savings. Start by adopting energy-efficient habits, such as turning off lights and appliances when not in use. Upgrade your home with energy-saving technologies like LED bulbs and smart thermostats, reducing electricity bills in the long run. Additionally, consider weatherproofing your home to conserve heating and cooling costs. Embrace mindful water usage, fixing leaks promptly and installing low-flow fixtures. 8. Live below your means. By adhering to this philosophy, individuals can cultivate a habit of frugality, allowing them to spend less than they earn and save the surplus. This conscious decision to limit extravagant expenses enables the accumulation of savings over time, providing a safety net for unexpected expenses and opportunities for investments. Living within one's means fosters financial discipline, curbing unnecessary spending and encouraging thoughtful budgeting. It also instills resilience, empowering individuals to weather economic uncertainties and plan for long-term financial goals. 7. Don't waste your money on Starbucks on a daily basis. Prominent coffee chains such as Starbucks have popularized lavish, sweetened coffee options like pumpkin spice lattes and frappuccinos. Let's reconsider the earlier scenario where we examined the annual expenditures of women and men at coffee chains. If those funds were saved instead of spent, after 10 years, the average woman would accumulate savings amounting to $23,270, while the typical man would have $19,340. It's important to note that this calculation doesn't include any accrued interest. To further learn about the American consumption of this famous coffee franchise, you can go over our video that talks exactly about this. It's called Filthy Brew and Excessive Consumption: Smarter Ways to Spend Your Money Other Than Starbucks. But you can watch that later. Now, back to learning session. Americans spend an average of $1,100 per year on coffee, roughly $92 monthly. Consider this: investing that $92 each month from age 25 to 65 with an 8% return results in a substantial $286,000. Delaying investment diminishes potential gains. Alternatively, investing $1,100 yearly over 40 years could yield an additional $286,000. Despite financial constraints, many overlook investment opportunities. Surprisingly, 34% allocate more to coffee than stocks or bonds. Experts agree investing is vital for wealth growth. If your coffee habit hinders savings, reconsider priorities. Setting aside $1,500 yearly for a decade can lead to significant growth. It's time to transform your financial future. By refraining from the daily Starbucks habit, individuals can redirect those funds towards savings or investments, paving the way for long-term financial security. Here at Stealth Wealth Society, our goal is to educate young adults like yourself that there are better ways to spend your money than fancy coffee. Just click the link in the description below to get to know our Financial Freedom Blueprint for young adults. To give you a hunch, it is a comprehensive initiative designed to address the very tangible financial challenges that young adults encounter. We are here to assist you in overcoming debt and establishing a solid financial base, mastering the art of budgeting and saving, even on a modest income, making informed investment decisions to witness your wealth grow, preparing for the future with confidence. Don't let financial concerns hinder your progress. Take command of your finances and pave the way to financial freedom. Invest in your future by clicking the link provided in the description now. 6. Review your costly expenses. In a world often marred by extravagance, scrutinizing our expenditures becomes crucial. By meticulously evaluating every significant cost, individuals can identify unnecessary outflows, enabling them to redirect funds towards investments or savings. This discerning approach empowers individuals to eliminate superfluous expenses, thereby bolstering their financial stability. By cutting down on indulgences and assessing the value derived from every purchase, one can enhance their savings significantly. 5. Cash is king, so stick with it. This underscores the significance of liquidity and financial prudence. In a world often driven by investments and risks, having a robust cash reserve acts as a safety net, providing stability during economic downturns and unforeseen emergencies. Buffett's wisdom urges individuals and businesses alike to prioritize cash holdings, emphasizing the importance of having readily available funds to seize opportunities or weather financial storms. By adhering to this principle, one can navigate volatile markets with confidence, enabling strategic decision-making and ensuring a solid foundation for future investments. 4. Rule with 50-30-20. Warren Buffett's renowned financial wisdom includes the 50-30-20 rule, a principle that advocates a balanced approach to managing one's finances. This rule suggests allocating 50% of your income to essentials like housing and utilities, 30% to discretionary spending such as entertainment and dining, and the remaining 20% to savings and investments. However, the latest study of AP News pointed out that spending by American consumers rose by a brisk 0.4% in September 2023, even after adjusting for inflation from a peak of 9.1% as of second quarter this year, and even as Americans face ever higher borrowing costs. It's about time to emphasize this rule. Embracing this strategy promotes financial stability by ensuring essential needs are met while encouraging responsible spending and saving habits. 3. Know the difference between wants and needs. In a world inundated with consumerism, understanding this distinction empowers individuals to make prudent financial decisions. Needs are the essentials for survival: food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare. Wants, on the other hand, encompass the luxuries and desires that often lead to unnecessary expenses. By cultivating the discipline to prioritize needs over wants, individuals can channel their resources towards building a secure financial future. This awareness fosters financial resilience, encouraging individuals to resist impulsive spending and invest in assets that appreciate over time. It also promotes a mindful approach to consumption, fostering a sense of contentment and financial stability. 2. Check and fix yourself. This emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and personal responsibility in managing finances. In a world where instant gratification often leads to impulsive spending, Buffett's advice urges individuals to evaluate their financial habits critically. Regular self-reflection is key to identifying unnecessary expenses, impulse buys, or frivolous expenditures. By being mindful of one's financial choices, individuals can recognize patterns of overspending and rectify them. This self-awareness empowers people to make informed decisions, curbing unnecessary expenses and saving more diligently. Oh, we know how time flies, and we're down to our number 1 tip. 1. Follow the 30-day rule when you want to buy something. Aditya Behave, a senior economist at Bank of America, pointed out that increased spending isn't solely driven by wealthier individuals. Even households earning less than $50,000 have seen a faster rise in spending on the bank's credit and debit cards compared to higher-income clients. Despite many Americans closely monitoring their finances, some still find room for indulgence. However, analysts caution about emerging challenges. A recent report revealed that although adjusted income dropped and savings declined, consumers continue to increase their spending. Economists argue that this trend is unsustainable. With this economic situation, it's still apt to apply Buffett's 30-day rule when you want to splurge on something. According to this rule, if you desire to make a non-essential purchase, wait for 30 days before committing to it. This waiting period helps curb impulsive spending habits, allowing you to assess the necessity of them. During this time, you can research alternatives, weigh the long-term value, and evaluate your financial priorities. Still want to learn more? We have extra Warren Buffett tips that might also help you. It's called Buy Financial Worries: 3 Assets to Invest in from Warren Buffett. Link is in the description. See you there, Stealthies!